In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make long videos in Runway ML. We'll take a short, AI-generated clip and turn it into a continuous, longer sequence that keeps the same subject, look, and camera movement from start to finish. The key is to set a strong foundation with your first clip and then extend it in small, consistent increments. Start by opening Generate Video in Runway ML. You can use either Gen 2 or Gen 3 for this workflow. In the prompt box, describe your scene clearly and completely so the model knows exactly what to create. Include the subject, environment, lighting, and how the camera should move. For example, cinematic shot of a person walking through a neon-lit city at night, smooth camera movement, realistic lighting. Think of this as your establishing shot. The clearer and more specific you are here, the easier it will be to maintain continuity later. Generate the clip and preview the result. This first generation sets the style, mood, and motion language for everything that follows. If something feels off, maybe the lighting isn't quite realistic or the camera motion isn't smooth, refine your wording and regenerate rather than changing the concept. Consistency is everything when you're building a longer piece. Once you're happy with the starting clip, open it from your assets. Choose Extend or Continue. In the prompt field, use this text exactly. Continue the scene smoothly with the same subject, lighting, environment, and camera motion. No scene change. This tells the model to pick up exactly where it left off, keeping the same person, the same neon city at night, the same realistic lighting, and the same smooth camera movement. Resist the urge to add new elements or switch styles here. No sudden weather changes, wardrobe swaps, or different lenses, because those will read as jump cuts. Generate the extension and watch the transition. If you notice any small hiccups, keep your extension prompt steady and try again. Small wording tweaks in your original description can help, but avoid introducing new details during the extension phase. Repeat the extend process as many times as you need. Each pass adds more seconds while preserving continuity, so you're effectively stitching together a longer, coherent sequence. For best results, keep your prompts consistent from one extension to the next and maintain the same settings like aspect ratio and output quality. If drift appears, go back to the last stable clip and extend again rather than rewriting the scene. That's the entire workflow. Establish a strong first clip, extend with a continuity-focused prompt, and repeat until you reach your desired length.